Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Sapphire Bot welcome messages. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to set up welcome messages in your Discord server using the Sapphire Bot, you have to follow a few simple steps. The first thing you need to do is add Sapphire to your server. To do that, open Discord and look toward the left side of the app where you'll see the Discover tab. Click on it and then select Apps from the left side menu. Now go to the search bar at the top right corner and type Sapphire. Once it appears in the search results, click on the Sapphire Bot profile, then press Add App on the right side. After that, click Visit Site, which will open Sapphire's website in your browser. If you aren't already signed in, the page may ask you to log in using your Discord account. Once logged in, select the server where you want to install Sapphire, click Continue, and then authorize all the required permissions so the bot can function properly. After the bot has been added successfully, return to your Discord server and you'll notice Sapphire Bot now appears in your member list. The next step is to create a dedicated welcome channel where your welcome messages will be sent. Simply create a new text channel and name it something like welcome or greetings so your server members know what it's for. Once the channel is ready, right-click on Sapphire Bot inside Discord, open its profile, and click on the website link shown there. This will once again take you to Sapphire's main website. From here, click Open Dashboard in the top right corner. You'll sign in with Discord once more and then you'll see a list of all servers where Sapphire is installed. Select the server where you want to configure welcome messages and this will take you to the main control panel for your bot settings. On the left side menu, scroll down until you find Welcome Messages, click on it and then click on Join Messages. At the top of the page, click on New Message to create your first welcome message. Once the new message window opens, make sure the message is set to trigger for the server and then choose your welcome channel from the drop-down list. After selecting the channel, click Continue to Styling Message to move to the editing screen. At the top, you'll see two tabs, Edit and Preview. Preview lets you see how the message will look, but for now, switch to Edit so you can build your message. By default, Sapphire includes a simple welcome text, but you can fully customize it or create an embed for a more professional look. Give your embed a title, description, or anything you want to include. If you click Variables at the top, Sapphire shows a list of dynamic placeholders, things like username, user tag, server name, join date, and more. To use any of these, simply click the variable and Sapphire will copy it automatically. Paste it directly into your message or embed wherever you want. For example, you can greet new members using their username or mention their user ID. You can also insert images into the welcome embed. Click the image icon inside the visual editor and Sapphire will ask for an image URL. To get this, go back to Discord and upload the image you want in any channel. Right-click the uploaded image, select Copy Link and paste that link back into the image field on the Sapphire dashboard. Now click the back arrow and preview your embed. You should see your welcome image displayed properly. Another nice customization is adding the user's avatar to the top right corner of the embed. Go to the variables list again and search for avatar. Click on user avatar, the URL, then return to the visual editor and click the small image icon at the top right of the embed layout. Paste the avatar URL there. When you preview the message again, you'll see the new user's avatar appear automatically whenever someone joins your server. Once your welcome message looks exactly how you want, embed text, variables, images, click Save Changes at the bottom. After saving, return to your Discord server to test everything. I will switch to my other account and join this server. As you can see, when a new user joins the server, go to your welcome channel and you'll see Sapphire send the custom welcome embed with the image, message, text, and the user's avatar just like you designed it. And that's how you can fully set up and customize welcome messages using the Sapphire Bot. And that's it. So that's basically how you can set up Sapphire Bot welcome messages. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.